Hello everyone, I'm Emma. Very nice to meet you again. Over the past 17 years, Honor brand is well known for its extreme innovation. We have 202 patents so far. This time we launched a new model, roller feeding paper bag machine without creasing. Here are 3 samples. The first one is made by roller feeding paper bag machine. The second one is made by sheet feeding machine. The third one is made by our new model, roller feeding machine without creasing. In the past, this bag can only be made by our sheet feeding machine, which is fed by sheet paper. Pre-procedures are complex. The production efficiency is not high. But our new model is roll-to-roll feeding, process simplified and cost-saved. Production speed is 120 bags per minute. Compared with traditional roller feeding paper bag machine, this model can make up to 190 GSM paper and no second crease on the surface, which makes paper bag more stronger and beautiful. So hurry up and order now.